Hey, sixth grade trumpets, it's Melanie here. I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe. We miss you guys a ton, myself and Ben and all the teachers. So, greetings from my part. Tonight I'm going to be showing you how to do 77 technique tracks. Okay, this is kind of a long song, but the notes are super easy. They're just from your concert B flat scale, your C scale. Okay, so the notes are simple. It's just the rhythm is a little tricky and the tonguing. So we're going to work on that together slowly. Okay, so let's take a look at our exercise first. All right, let's scan our piece. So we have, first off, we are in, again, the key of C. So there are no flats, no sharps. What does that mean for you? Let's scan through any weird notes. We have B natural here, which is 2. Here again, 2, 2. And B natural here, which is 2. Okay, and that's it. The rest are just your normal notes from your C scale. That's easy. We have 4/4 time, also easy. Our tempo is moderato, which is, you guessed it, medium, right? Moderate, not that fast, okay? All right, let's look through and scan our rhythms. We have TTs, 1/8 notes, starting forte, and then we have some tiki-tikis here, some 16th notes, and some more here. And then we have this T, tiki, T, tiki, T, 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 T. That's a little bit tricky here, so watch out for that. And then, of course, we have some tiki-tikis at the end. So let's go ahead and clap this together, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. T, 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 ta. Tiki, tiki, ti, ah. Oops. T, 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 ta. Tiki, tiki, ta. T, 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 T. T, tiki, T, tiki, T, 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 ta, ta, T, 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 ta, tiki, tiki, ta. Okay, not bad, guys, not bad at all. Again, be watching this rhythm for sure. Okay, make sure we practice that one. All right, let's go ahead and sing it and finger. Here we go. There's our first note. 1, 2, sing and finger, go. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. C, D, E, F, G. D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D. D, E, F, G, A. B, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B, B, C, D, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, G, F, E, D, C, G, G, F, E, D, C. Cool. Again, make sure we watch this measure. Sorry, I had the cursor there. I hope it wasn't hard to read. Okay, let's go ahead and try it super slow with the metronome. Here we go. Again, feel free to review this video as many times as you want. All good with me. That's what it's here for. Okay, here we go. I will play it one time with the metronome. Okay, still kind of fast. I'm going to slow down a little more. I'm at 60 beats per minute. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready. Okay, I'm a little winded after that. I've not been exercising enough. Okay, so that was pretty fast. I don't expect you to play it that fast the first time. Not at all. You're going to have to chunk this, okay? You're going to be working on it like maybe 2 measures at a time, then the next 2 measures at a time, then the next 2, then the next 2, and then finally you're putting it all together, or line 1, then line 2. Okay, guys. Now, let's do it with our essential elements so you hear what it sounds like with the track, in case you want to do it with the track. Here it comes. Ready, guys? Let's do rock, no melody. Again, this might be pretty fast. We'll just give it a go. Ready, guys? Nice. Yeah, guys, that was really fun. I love the rock background. It's like super cool. Let's do it again, slowly, because I think the track was pretty fast. Also, sorry if it was too loud on your speakers. Sorry about that. Here we go. Let's do it slightly softer and slower. Here we go. Ready? Let's see if it'll go. Sounds kind of funny. Ready? Yeah, so that tempo was way more doable. I recommend you probably play it at that tempo. Yes? Okay, trumpets, sixth graders, again, please write to me, write to Ben if you guys want a private class, if you want an extra help, whatever you need to work on this song, or if you want to learn a different song just to have fun. Jurassic Park, Star Wars, Pirates of the Caribbean, you name it. We're here for you. We want you to keep playing, so keep playing that trumpet. Keep it positive at your house, okay? All right, guys, love you boys. We'll see ya soon. Take care.